Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the keyboard has enough charge and is powered on. This prevents dropouts during pairing. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your computer or phone and keep both devices close. Make sure the keyboard is in Bluetooth mode. Use the mode key or FN plus key combo to switch from wired to BT. You do this so the keyboard broadcasts its name. If an app or driver is recommended for your model, install it now to expose advanced controls and OS-specific key mapping. You now put the keyboard into pairing mode. Press and hold the pairing combo for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This blink pattern signals the keyboard is discoverable, which matters because some models support multiple pairing slots. Note the slot number if shown. Then, on your host device, open Bluetooth settings, scan, and select the Royal Klaudge name that matches the slot. You accept the pairing prompt and, if asked, confirm the code or press OK to complete connection. You finish by verifying functionality. Type in a text field and test modifier and media keys to ensure correct layout. If keys are wrong, change your host's keyboard layout or toggle the RK layout switch. Should pairing fail, remove or forget the device from your host's Bluetooth list, then repair using a fresh discovery. If intermittent drops persist, restart Bluetooth on both devices and try another slot. As a last resort, perform a factory reset per the manual to clear problematic settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.